Hi there. So I'm just going to show you how to access the online textbook so that you can listen to the audio of the Crucible if you'd like. I'm going to minimize my screen here, and then I'm going to go ahead and go over to my class link. And if you look at my class link here, this is class link. You're just going to go over to one that says ELA. And in ELA, you're going to click on Savas. That's the name of our textbook owner. And you're going to click over here on the right side where it says Savas Realize. Now, this has a bunch of different stuff in here. You're not going to have all of this. You're probably just going to have the one thing to the right that says ELA grade 11. So if you click on that, it should pull up a bunch of different options here. I'm going to scroll down. You won't have a teacher's edition. You'll just click on student edition. And yes, you want to open it in a new window. And once you open in this new window, you're going to get a little search bar up here in this top right. I'm going to type in Crucible. All right, and then you're seeing I have Act 4, I have Act 1, whichever act you're going to go to, you're going to just kind of scroll through it. I'm going to go to Act 2. Once you click on it, you'll see over here that you have your play button and your audio for Act 2. You just hit play. And you could listen to the Crucible if you so desire. So I just wanted to give you the options so that you know what you're looking for and how to get to it. And then once you're there, you can just listen to it. And then when you're finished, you can answer your questions.